Imagine after all this fencing, the presidential directive says we should fence, have water source. Imagine after all this fencing, you know how much investment this is? You bought land, you fenced, and they are saying you should leave. You know, when you buy land from any other part of the country, no one tells you to fence. But here, there is a directive to fence, to have a water source, but still they want us to go. Now, where will people go? Look at this investment. These are how many? 6 barbed wire, treated poles. My God. These guys should be serious.